What's up guys, welcome to Bullish Bets. On this channel, we cover all things related to stocks and investing. Today, we're going to talk about how BlackBerry just did a whole rebranding. And this might indicate that they're ready to double down on growth. Keep in mind that we're not financial advisors and this video is for entertainment purposes only. Make sure you do your own research before making any investment decisions. So BlackBerry recently did a whole rebranding on the whole site and released a couple of videos, talking about who they are now versus who they were. So let's jump into it. Before we do that, let's look at what BlackBerry looked like, the site looked like March 1st, 2021. I used the Wayback Machine to do this. So when you go down the site, it talks about threat reports being available, and their leading platform for enabling IoTs, all their endpoint management, endpoint security, secure communications, alert crisis, secure documents, and just a whole bunch of services and softwares that they provide. They talk about BlackBerry Spark, and then they have Spotlight on innovation, and that's pretty much what their front site looks like. And if we go to today, their new site, it has a very clear message compared to before. And it shows, the first message is our devices change where we work, and our security is changing how we work. And this gives you a feel of what the company is doing and what they're focused on. They have a more focused strategy on what their company is, and it gives potential customers a better feel. And if you scroll down, it shows their cybersecurity and what they do, more cybersecurity branding, and then critical events management, Internet of Things. It just seems like BlackBerry has a better focus on who they are and what they are. And if you go on here, it shows that they're more sales oriented and more focused on growth by just having this button to click on the bottom, contact sales. They're really focused, and they seem to be getting, for lack of better words, their shit together. So let's look at why this is the case. And this has been happening for quite some time. In June 2nd, 2020, BlackBerry hired Tom Ecobachi as their president. The hire of Tom Ecobachi shows that they're ready to grow. They're not just looking to build a strong platform with a great product, which they have now. They're looking to sell that product and have a good go-to-market strategy. Tom brings 25 years of customer-facing go-to-market leadership expertise. He joined the company from Citrix, which is a competitor company in terms of the UEM space and endpoint security. Tom was the VP of Sales and Strategy Operations. He expanded all aspects of a $3 billion global business. At his time at Citrix, this shows that he has strong experience in sales, and the fact that he's the president of BlackBerry shows that they're looking to improve their sales. And what you're probably thinking is, well, if they hired Tom in June, why didn't they have better earnings in quarter 3? Well, the reason is Tom was hired in the beginning of Q3, and it's going to take time for Tom to get used to the sales team, to get the people he's comfortable with to make sales for BlackBerry and do stuff like this to rebrand and improve what BlackBerry lacked, was being able to sell its good product. It wins awards, it gets certifications from NSA, and this is what BlackBerry is doing. They have a great platform now, and with these recent actions and steps, it shows that BlackBerry is ready for growth. And it's great because they have this guy on Twitter who's doing the rebranding, and he says keep an eye out for New York Times this month as we continue to roll our branding. They're looking to improve their PR and improve their branding. This not only will increase the stock price, it's going to put BlackBerry more out there in terms of security services. They win awards for Silence in terms of AI security and best cybersecurity software. And what they need to do is have a good go-to-market strategy, and it seems like they're doubling down on that. Tom knows what he's doing, and the fact that John Chen hired him shows that John Chen's mindset's ready to turn from more of a turnaround, build the strong platform to grow the platform. So let us know what you guys think. Do you think this rebranding is a sign that BlackBerry is ready to double down on growth? Or do you think that this is just a yearly rebranding and it's not going to mean much for BlackBerry? So that's it for this video. If you liked our content, please give us a thumbs up. We use this as feedback as to whether we're making content worth watching. Thank you again very much for watching.